If you find yourself unable to access your PayPal account due to a lost or inaccessible email, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. Once there, look for the option that says having trouble logging in and click on it to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select account recovery options. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or username associated with your PayPal account. Choose the option that allows you to receive a verification code via SMS or a phone call if you have linked your phone number to your account. Step 3. Enter verification code. Once you receive the verification code on your phone, enter it in the designated field on the PayPal website. This step verifies your identity and allows you to proceed with the recovery process. Step 4. Create a new password. After successfully entering the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it as instructed. Step 5. Update account information. Once you regain access to your account, it's important to update your account information. Add or verify your email address and ensure your phone number is correct to avoid future access issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your PayPal account without needing access to your email. Always keep your account information updated to prevent similar issues in the future.